There are two reasons why your upper eyelids or your eyes are looking crepey or tired. Let's go over one of them. It could be either genetics or age related. So if you have skin that's starting to come down to your lash line, it really doesn't matter about your age. It's more commonly associated with age, but it can happen even when you're younger. And if it bothers you, if you have trouble putting on makeup, getting that crisp eyelid shape, you might be a candidate for an upper eyelid blepharoplasty. That is a surgery where we take out excess skin, we remove a little bit of fat from the corners of the eyes, we can reposition fat to make things look fuller and smoother and nicer, but it is a procedure done under local anesthesia in the office with very little downtime. This can really transform the way you look in a very natural way. Nobody's gonna know that you had anything done, but they'll all notice how refreshed you look. If you're interested in upper eyelid surgery or wanting to look refreshed, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in my office. You know how to book.